Here it is. There's the trailer. We'll do a walk around. Already know the tires need to be replaced. The windows on this side are mostly good. I have no idea what they were thinking with the hitch. So that's all going to get redone. And based on what I saw at the back, we may be doing some serious work on the frame. On this side, everything looks mostly good. That window has issues, but it looks like we might be able to replace it. And of course, the interior view is regrettable. This is where the front bathroom area was, and it's pretty much destroyed. The kitchen area has been gutted. The cabinet doors are still on at the top. And, well, there's all the renovation starting stuff from the previous owner. So there we go. Not quite sure what's going to happen, but that's the project. It will live again. So these are some of the materials for repair and renovation that were in there. And this is the collection of stuff that was on the windows, makeshift lights. The regulator's still there, a propane tank with some propane. The cushions are, well, let's just say regrettable. The drawers are still there, but they're filthy. It turns out that fiberglass sink is actually part of the bathroom. So that's the kitchen sink. That's the bathroom sink. And that big flat curvy piece at the bottom, that was the partition wall. Not sure where those came from. More junk. And it's a little tough to see, but brand new vinyl flooring. So the hitch is still, well, let's just call it a mess. That needs complete renovation. The tires will need to be replaced completely, and everything else appears to be gutted. Now I'm not sure, but down here it looks like this was where the water tank used to be. Maybe I'm wrong, but certainly storage for something. That's where the furnace was. The closet is stripped and needs to be redone. But everything down here looks mostly clean. This is the banquette. The windows are all operational. That one is missing one pane, but I think we'll be able to salvage that. These are all good. And down in here, this is where the sink used to be. So obviously there's a bit of work to get that repaired. This is where the that giant 3/4 inch piece of plywood went. And down here, that's the shower tub-like space. It looks like there's a fair bit that's salvageable here. Maybe. And we even found one piece of T-molding, so we've got a pattern so we know what to look for to fill in all these cracks.
Okay.
They're not hooked up to anything, but that's like extra.
Cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna drop that. They're gonna skid. Hoping that will help a bit. Do we have the other one here?
Um.